Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line their wings, though. Okay, get into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view. No dragons required. Gronkle nest with a gronkle nest. All the legs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward. You know which way is forward, right? Oh, no.